I just wanted a DVD player that was easy to use. This one is great. Compact, does not take up much space, easy to hook up and use. Great product. Allows TV to access internet to watch Netflix. Despite instructions to set for different regions, it's not necessary. I have viewed Australia, British and German movies. American ones too. No need to set anything. I just put in a disc, any disc, and it plays. I'm quite satisfied with the picture and sound quality. I haven't played any 4K videos yet. It works well without difficulty. What else could you want? Light, compact and ready to use out of the box. Technologically challenged? No problem, foolproof for dummies. Easy to use, follow simple directions. We wanted a Blu-ray player for Netflix programming and it fit the bill, good price was a bonus. Great deal on essentials for my workout area. I can play my music and watch my exercise DVDs. I bought this player to watch Alfred Hitchcock Presents Season 7, which is only available on Region 2 DVDs, and the unit works as advertised. I am quite satisfied with the purchase. Thank you. It's smaller than I expected. But it's a very good quality Blu-ray DVD player. I love it. My life changed when I was able to use Blu-ray to watch Netflix. Click link in description for more reviews.